when you have the first person who's acting in an authorial capacity and an avatar capacity, they experienced it first in that first person present tense. That was their original experience. Even if you have them looking back, what's really interesting is that asks the reader, Sam, to think about the function of memory and about reframing of the relevance of the situation at a later vantage point. But what's really fascinating is that because time moves on, you only get one shot at the sensory experience. If I transported back in time and I re-experienced something that I experienced as my younger self, now I would notice details that I didn't notice then, just because of a different context, because of different life experience. Our authors don't get to do that. So even though they're looking back on it, they only get to make sense of the details that they took in at the time, but they can reframe them. So it's a very delicate balance there to create your informational strategy to make sure that that dual mode is consistent both with the mindset of the older person and the sensory experience of the younger person.